Up to 35 cargoes. That's the number of shipments of soybeans China is believed to have purchased from Argentina this week. It comes after Argentina suspended its export taxes for a short time in order to control the country's currency value. I'm Michelle Rook. Clinton is on assignment. The move is seen as a blow right now to U.S. soybean producers, as the world's largest soybean importer has still not purchased any U.S. new crop soybeans. Grain markets have been on a roller coaster ride this week as the Argentine government suspended its export taxes Monday, then reinstated them on Thursday after generating $7 billion in revenues. Dropping the 26% tax on soybeans, though, before that made Argentina's price nearly $3 cheaper, generating Chinese purchases.
That's the rumor, 20 to 30 plus. And so I guess we'll see how that filters into, the scheduling for the U.S., campaign, as we get closer into the November and get to the backside of harvest.
Totals, though, have been reported at upwards of 35 cargoes or 2.7 million metric tons of beans. So unfortunately, that may have filled China's needs through November.
Argentina enters the mix, and all of a sudden any pent-up buying that maybe the Chinese were kind of holding off on, they just fulfilled that, and they filled it very rapidly.
And China's purchases of Argentine beans indicates they don't want to buy U.S. soybeans at any price.
Certainly looks like China would like nothing more than to cause havoc, if you will, due to the fact that we have put tariffs on them.
China continues to be out of the U.S. export market with no soybean purchases on this week's weekly export report. Even with a China deal, they may not be back in to buy before December.
Down in the south, so they'll be harvesting beans in Brazil probably by first half of January for sure. And again, those beans will be right back onto the world market. So our window of opportunity to sell, at least to China, has gotten very, very small.
And without a China deal, they may have enough beans to get by without the U.S. Then USDA would need to lower exports below its 1.7 billion bushel target for this new marketing year.
Right now, probably staring at somewhere of export business, maybe slipping another 150 to 200 million bushels from what USDA currently has on the books. Could be a little bit more than that.
Which analysts say would make sub-$10 soybeans on the futures more likely.